And I feel so bad that I broke my Neo Geo Stick a few weeks ago. You remember that, right? Well, I've got a new shell that I can put the parts in, so maybe I'll just throw these parts in here and, you know, just be really, really careful from now on when I play Neo Geo games. Anyway, let's get these parts in here. Alright, now let's play some Fatal Fury.
Fatal Fury!
Nice. I think I should probably choose easy so I don't get, you know, angry. Oh, and of course, every time you play this, you've just got to choose Humphrey Bogart's great-grandson, Terry. Let's do this!
Round